Hey to everyone. This time we continue with the video about how to deploy an React application in static web hosting, CloudFront, Route 53, and Certificate Manager. So in this part of the video, I'll show you how to link that certificate with the CloudFront and then how to use it with Route 53. So let's go for it. And that we have to search first for the S3 bucket. We have to go right there and we have to copy one thing. Which one? The one that is in static web hosting. You have to just copy that part, no? Without the HTTP, you have to just copy there. And as we are going to use it later, we are going to put them in a notepad. And here we go. We go through CloudFront and we create a new distribution. Here I'll have another application, so don't get confused with that. And then we click create distribution, then we click on get started on the web section. And here, original domain name should be the thing that we copied in our clipboard. So we copy and paste there. It is not the same of that, or because it leads you to another problem. And we just copy paste it. That's it. Some other configurations get filled. And we are going to go through the default cache behavior settings. And we are going to use redirect HTTPS to HTTPS. This is because if someone types in the browser domusfixolivia.com, it will direct that HTTP call to HTTPS in order to use certificate. So it's just as simple as that. Just redirect all the HTTP traffic to HTTPS. That's because sometimes when you Google on the browser, it is by default HTTP. So we are going to let everything as it is, and we are going to go to distribution settings, and we are here going to put the name of our domain. In this case, blog domusfixolivia.com. Well, the name of the bucket and of course the name of the page that we want to be. And we have to choose the custom SSL certificate, and we choose our wildcard. And then we create a distribution. Now we have to wait until it is going to be deployed. So I will just wait for a few seconds. And that's it. It is already deployed. And we can see if it's deployed, just going for the domain name. We are going just to copy that. And we are going to copy paste in our browser. And that's it. Look that now it has the certificate, but it is not in the domain that we want, that is blog.domusfixolivia.com. So here is just the last step, that is to link that CloudFront to the Route 53 service. So we are going to copy the CloudFront link, and we are going to that service, no? Route 53. Now here, you have already bought a domain, you are going to have a hosted zone. So in this hosted zone, you just click there in order to be inside. And just click that. And here is, you are going to see our domain. We just click there again. And you are going to see that the links that were generated when using Certificate Manager. So I have already declared another ones like admin, don'tfixolivia.com, and other things. And SOA, CNAME, and NS, those records was already created. So when we type on the Certificate Manager, that service created those ones. Now we have, if we want to add another subdomain, we have just to create a new record. We have just to click on simple policy. We have to define that record. And here you have to type the name of the subdomain. In this case, will be the same, domusfixolivia.com. We have to choose where the traffic comes, and we have to go alias to CloudFront distribution, or you can just copy paste the CloudFront domain, but you can look for there and look at that. It advises, it suggests a cloud distribution, so you can just use that. Just verify that it's the same as you want to deploy. That's it. And you just define simple record. And create records again. And that's it. That's all we have, all the configuration. Now we have to just wait some seconds. And we are going to test that our application is deployed. So we are going to type in the browser blog domusfixolivia.com. And that's it. Look, it is in the subdomain that we wanted, with the domain that we wanted, and with the HTTP. So that's for all, guys. It is everything about this video, and I hope you have enjoyed it.